Hi, I'm Peter, and welcome to How to Insurance, helping you understand insurance and building confidence for your future. Well, today we're looking at comprehensive and collision auto coverage. What's the difference? Well, a few years ago, my family and I went on a vacation. We had a wonderful time, and I thought my car would be safe because my car was parked in the garage, locked up. Think again. When I came home, there was a storage shelf in my garage that fell on the top of my car and dented up the hood, and I couldn't believe it. So in that scenario, what auto insurance coverage would it fall under? Collision or comprehensive? Well, let me explain the differences to you briefly. Well, in general, with auto insurance, comprehensive, it has to do with anything when you're not driving the vehicle. Let's say if something fell on your car, like in my instance, or maybe there was theft or some body damage to it, some hail fell. With collision insurance, that is when you are driving the car. You're moving in the vehicle, someone hits you, it's vehicle and vehicle contact, you hit a building, something like that. So in summary, what's the difference between comprehensive and collision? Well, comprehensive coverage is when you're not driving. Collision coverage is when you are driving. Well, now that you know the differences of those terms, it's important that you look at your auto insurance policy and figure out if you have the right coverage. And that's what I'm here for. As your insurance broker, I can help you review those policies and make sure you're properly insured. Because at Apple Insurance Solutions, we all want to protect what matters most to us in life, but insurance can be confusing. So I make it simple. As your insurance broker, I'll do the work for you, and all your insurance needs can fall in one relationship, building confidence for your future. Well, thank you for watching How to Insurance. If this was helpful, please like and share this post, and then contact me at appleinsuranceSolutions.com. And until next time, thank you for watching How to Insurance, helping you understand insurance and building confidence for your future.